In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom button shine effect in Wix Studio. This is a fantastic way to make your website elements pop and enhance user interaction. We'll journey through how to achieve a seamless effect that catches the eye of your visitors. Let's dive right in. To start off, open your Wix Studio editor and locate the button you want to add this stylish shine effect to. Once you've selected your button, which might be something like Hatchet Button 7, make sure it's exactly the one you want to style. After making your selection, head over to the Inspector panel, conveniently located on the right-hand side of your editor. This is where you'll be doing most of your customization work. Now that you've got the Inspector panel open, it's time to set the base style for your button in its regular state. Think of this as the default look of your button when no one's interacting with it. Navigate to the Design section, and from there, hit Customize, then Button Colors. Here's where you'll infuse your button with its base style. For the background color, choose a hue that aligns with your website's color scheme. Something like a vivid number 00077 FEF is always a solid choice. Pair it with a contrasting text color, such as a crisp ASH to ensure readability. If you want to get creative, consider adding a subtle border. However, that's completely optional and depends on the look you're going for. With your base style set, you've laid the foundation for a visually appealing button. Next, we'll shift gears and focus on the hover state of your button. The hover effect is essentially how your button will appear when visitors hover their cursor over it, a crucial aspect for drawing attention. Within the Inspector panel, find and select the hover state. Alternatively, if you're navigating via the Design panel, you might notice a tab specifically labeled Hover. This is where you'll be making your adjustments. For the hover style, let's first tweak the background color. You could select a lighter shade of your original color, something like 3399FF. Alternatively, if Wix Studio supports it, try experimenting with a linear gradient to give it a dynamic flair. Changing the text color is also an option. Perhaps opt for a slightly different shade to further highlight the interactive nature of the button. To wrap it up, you might want to amplify the button's visual allure by adjusting its shadow or glow. A subtle increase here can make your button appear to lift off the page, providing a polished finish. And there you have it. You've successfully crafted a custom button shine effect that's sure to enhance user engagement. Play around with these settings until you find the perfect look for your site. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing!